He like, she like, we like, all be together. Double down, but only true it's you saw just my love. Now the power come me wants to come up to, baby, she won't ever call the truth. Stop the bus for your dog. I said stop the bus for your dog. Everything is getting out of hand. I won't keep it.
Cars, 3 motorcycles and 2 retro caravans. How we do this is we want you to decide which is the top in each category. There's a bin next to it and we ask you to make a donation for the vehicle that you think are the best. And the money goes to the Surf Lifesaving Club, which is the big white building right here on the beach. They're one of the benefactors of Red Cove Beach Hop 2019, so the more that you dig into your wallet, empty your purse and put it next to that vehicle to help decide which ones get the big trophies. Coming up.
Surprised he doesn't mind the glasses. I don't know what all their jeans are about. Just even soft like that.
She can find her own way home.
Still explaining it to him. I know. Someone said we'll get you. Oh yeah, 5.7. 5.7. Easy go to that. Always go to that.
That's fine. Congratulations and well done. Enjoy the sash. Ladies and gentlemen,
Our Burger Fuel Retro Pin-Up winner for 2019 at Beach Hop. A huge round of applause. That's awesome. Thank you for putting this available.
He's coming up here. This is the way we like it. You know you want a prize. Come on up. You also want to Team Rock and Roll Club banner. It's a $500 prize that we do. Beautiful. We had a great setup with like an old oil pump and gas station and everything with it. A great display. Congratulations, Barry Coons.
Thanks very much to Repco for making this event happen again this week and everyone in Whangamata. And of course, a huge thank you to all the volunteers that are helping for the whole lot. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If you would like, feel free to take the stage and do a twirl as the winner. Feel the wind in your hair.